Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we take a closer look at one of the cheapest wireless headsets on the market right now and try to answer the question whether it has a real purpose or if it gets completely overshadowed by the more expensive headsets out there. Today we take a closer look at the Thian GXT 391 wireless headset. Trust is a manufacturer of all kinds of peripherals, ranging from keyboards to webcams and yes, even headsets, usually on the very low end of the price range. Now when it comes to wireless headsets, those tend to be priced at around 100 to 300 euros. Here comes Trust as one of the few outliers with a supposedly fully functional wireless headset for as low as 50 euros. I've always been under the impression that a lot of consumer tech products are overpriced, but such a seemingly good deal did make me frown a bit, so I had to buy one for myself to try it out. The headset comes in a small package and includes an aux cable for wired use, nice, a short USB-C cable for charging, the 5.8 GHz wireless dongle, and of course the headset itself. Right off the bat, they feel cheap. The entire headset is made out of plastic, recycled plastic according to Trust, and it's just very frail. It rattles when you shake it, and it's not very flexible. I don't want to single out Trust here. A lot of headsets feel like this, often much more expensive than this one. But I do question the usefulness of making a device out of recycled materials when it will probably end up in a landfill itself after a year or so, unless you handle it with a lot of care and caution, that is. Design-wise, there are a few concerns I have as well. For one, they are rather small and they might not fit larger heads. The ear cups are also on the smaller side and they don't rotate, which is a bit uncomfortable. But it's not all bad. Aesthetically, they are very simple and pleasant to look at. They don't scream gamer with flashy colors and RGB, and I'd say they're even suitable for a work environment, which is where wireless headsets make the most sense. The ear cups are comfortable, aside from the stiffness, and it's easy to wear them for long periods of time, like a Zoom call, watching movies, or playing games. The volume controls, on and off button, and microphone mute button all look and feel distinct and are easy to reach. Speaking of microphone, it is not removable but highly adjustable. The headset is a simple plug-and-play solution and works on PC and PlayStation 4/5 without much of a hassle and no noticeable latency. According to Trust, the battery lasts for around 13 hours, which I think is an accurate estimate. Trust also claims that you can move up to 10 meters away from the dongle, which I'm happy to say is true for the most part. Of course, obstacles such as walls will affect your connection, but it had no issues whatsoever at around 8 meters through multiple walls. That's impressive at this price range. Let's address the elephant in the room. How do they sound? Well, for a 50-euro wireless headset you can only expect so much. The headset has two 40mm drivers that sound serviceable. The headset lacks a lot of detail on the top end, which is not unusual for cheap headphones and headsets, but it lacks a bit of bass as well and has no noise cancellation at all. It lets a lot of sound in and also out. Perhaps if the ear cups rotated a bit to seal off your ears instead of being too loose on one end and too tight on the other, it would have been a better experience overall. This only leaves the microphone and well, this is what it sounds like. It picks up my voice pretty well and there's not that much background noise. Despite the pop filter, it is still susceptible to k sounds, but overall this is alright. It sounds pretty much like headsets around the 100 € mark, so personally, I'm satisfied. And there you have it, the Trust Thian wireless headset. It's a decent budget headset with some obvious flaws that are probably due to the low price. However, I will say that for all the nitpicking that I did throughout the video, my overall impression is mostly positive. I especially appreciate the superb wireless connection and the solid microphone. My main concern is the fact that they are not very sturdy and need to be handled with a lot of care. But that's it on my part. If you have any questions or simply want to share your opinion, please leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching and of course, have a wonderful day.